Stand by. Yeah.
There you go.
Sam picks up pretty
The
quick.
long trigger pull. Squeeze all the way. Keep going. There you go. No recoil. There you go.
That all?
Three on that.
Three to that one. Yep.
What's the revolver?
Take
There
one
you
more
go.
shot at a head. You got one left in there.
What's the revolver?
That's good, though. That's good.
All right.
Nicely
Good
done.
shooting. Real good.
Not bad.
First time, real good.
3-4-0-7.
You
Oh,
got
here.
it.
Yeah. All right. Load and make ready. Big smile. Pull the slide back. Chamber one in. Put your safety up. Up. There you go. And holster. All right. Big deep breath.
Yeah, shoulder. Yeah, lean forward a little bit. Relax. Take a breath.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Good. Good shot. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Mag. Just drop it. Oh.
Big step.
Wow. Good. Can't see that far. It looks good. Really good. Really good. Drop the mag.
All right. Magazine out. Pull the slide back. And pull the trigger. And hold it. A little bit forward. We are clear. Make ready with 6-round sleeve.
Okay.
Breathe.
There you go. Slide back. Chamber one. And safety on. There we go. Are you ready? Stand by.
Stay here.
Right here or over in the
Real good. Miss. Miss. Real good.
If you're
Drop the mag.
Pull the trigger and nothing happened.
Real good. Real good. Drop the mag.
unload. You should
Cycle.
trigger.
Watch the live round.
There you go. And trigger.
I
Or on
went
lock.
wait.
You can put them any way
My
you'd
left
like.
finger isn't strong enough to pull that trigger.
I just want to use mine. I got a black op in the bag.
Ken's got the timer. He'll be
Okay.
all right. Go ahead and get ready. All right, so I gotta hang on one second.
Review clear.
Now remember, since you're gonna be doing that,
Review clear.
Review clear.
Yep.
Okay.
And then just hit start.
okay? All right. Are you ready? Stand by.
Dang.
Boom. There you go. She's on it now.
He's gonna be.
Hit three.
There you go. One more to go.
One left. Hit that header right there again.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
There you
The
go.
first clean run.
Yeah, but it was.
Yeah, but you beat all of us.
2781. Clear.
Clear.